Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be testing out my Meeden airbrushes. I've got three of the airbrushes as well as the compressor. I'm going to start with this one here. It is 0.25 millimeter needle. It's a small cup. And I'm going to use some of the Meeden airbrush paint that I received. I'm not sure if I'm going to do all of three of the brushes today. I might just do two, see how it goes. So I've given this a good shake up. I'm just going to pour a few drops of the paint in my little cup. Just 5 drops. Okay. Now, first you just press down on the lever to get air. And then you pull back a little bit just to get, then you pull it back to get the paint. So I'm just going to give it a try here. You have to hold it with, it's good to hold it with 2 hands to get steady. You get a better stream. It's hard to control just with 1 hand. So I'm going to use 2 hands. So air first, and then I'm going to pull back a little bit at first, and I'm going to be, a little bit far away from my paper. It's just regular paper that I'm going to go across. My hand's not very steady, and the more I push back on the lever, the more paint I get. Pretty smooth. And then when you stop, you push ahead. When you don't want any more paint, you push ahead with the lever, but you don't let go. So I'm still getting air, so that there's no air paint, so that there's no paint left on the needle. So now it's just air. So I'm leaving my finger on there. And I'm going to go closer to see if I can get a smaller line. A thinner line. My hands are a little shaky, so bear with me. I'm probably pulling back too much. I just want a very thin line. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to do little dots. If I can. I can't see. This is a bad angle for me. I can't see what I'm doing. You're supposed to practice doing this before you actually do a painting. There's another dot. The closer you get to the paper, the smaller the dot. Oops. I pulled back too far. I can't really see what I'm doing. I had smaller ones over there. Anyway, seems to be working pretty good. Oh, you know why? I'm out of paint. Okay, so I'm going to empty this cup, and I'm going to try my other one. Okay, I'm back with the other airbrush. It is the needle size is 0.5 millimeters. So I'm going to place some of the paint in the cup. It's a larger cup, as you can see. Okay, so I'm blowing air first, and then I'm going to pull back on the lever to get paint. Again, hold with 2 hands. I'm going for a thinner line. My hands are a bit shaky, so I guess I have to move quicker. There's a thinner line. I'm going to try dots with this one. Tried to do a circle there, or a sphere. I'll try it again. Around. I'm at a really strange angle right now, so it's hard. Okay, so air. Alright, so that's this one. This is going to be a short video. I'm going to try my other one now too. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And this one is, I'll show you the box. Whoops. This one is, the needle size is 0.35 millimeter. And it is, it's not the gravity feed one. This one feeds off the bottom. So you can put a cup either in the bottom like this, or if you want to paint a bigger area, you can use a bottle. The bottle. Okay, so I'm just going to use the other one. This here. Okay. It has a protective cap on it. one off. And I would be putting the paint in here. I think you have to put a fair bit in there in order for it to suck it up, and so there's a fair bit in there. I can't really show you. There, here you go. All right, so again, 2 hands. I'm going to turn my compressor on. Okay, I just spilt it. I went down like that and I spilt it on my hands. So I guess with this brush here, actually I'm going to turn it like that. If you have it down like that, I guess you have to be straight on your substrate like this so it doesn't spill out, or I guess turn it to the side. Okay. Okay, so let's try this. I'm going to try down here just to see if it's working. Yeah. So down and then pull back. So I'm going to hold with my other hand. I'm pulling back a little more. Oh, you didn't even see that, sorry. I was making little dots down there. Okay, I'll try it over here. I have to practice a lot to get little tiny dots. You really need a steady hand, and just bring the lever back just enough. Okay. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm going to empty this out and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I have cleaned all 3 of my airbrushes. I just want to go through the kit, what I received in the airbrush kit from Meeden. This is the paint that I was just using. There's 24 in here. Oops. 24. Okay, so that's the paint. Over here, just show you, this is the compressor. And this here is the cleaning pot. You put your airbrush when you finished with your painting, and you want to clean out your paint from your airbrush. You would just, whoops, sorry. Here it is. You would just put it in there and then spray. Spray all the paint out, add water or add cleaner, and then spray it all in this pot. It's got a handy little holder right here, and then this steadies it on the table so that it doesn't tip over when your brush is in. I received a bunch of little brushes that are good for cleaning the airbrush with. What else? Paint and the 3 airbrushes. Of course, you've seen them. I have some discount codes in my description below the video for 10% off any product on their website. Also, I have some of their links on my in my description. So check that out, and let me know what you think of their products in my in the comments below the video. All the airbrushes work fine. I had no trouble with any of them. Paint is good. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and have a great day. See you in my next one. Bye for now.